Did you know Zobo drink is not only the type of drink you have in summer or hot weather. You can also have it in cold weather. It can help to keep you warm and also to make you feel better when you're having catarrh or cough. Let's dive into the video. Let me show you how to prepare this Zobo drink. This Zobo drink is prepared with hibiscus flower, pineapple, ginger and clove. So you need a bunch of pineapple like this because you'll be needing the whole pack of it. So I'll be washing it thoroughly with a kitchen brush with soap. Yes, I said with soap because you have to wash it very thoroughly since you'll be using the back of it. So here is also the hibiscus flower. You have to wash it very thoroughly. Thoroughly, I mean, does not mean you should be washing and, pressing the flour. No, don't do that or else you wash the whole color out. So put it in a bowl and make sure that you are shaking it with your hands or with the bowl. What you want to get rid of here is the sand, which is very much in the Zobo or hibiscus flower. Once that is thoroughly done, I will set it aside. So for the pineapple, we are going to be cutting it so thick. When I mean so thick, put your hands the pineapple because you will be needing it in the you'll be needing the flavor in the drink. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and cut them very well and set them aside. Thank you so much for tuning to watch today's video. If you're here for the first time, I truly appreciate. Please subscribe if you have not done so, and don't forget to give this video a large thumbs up. Also, share this video if you can. Yes, I would really appreciate that. So after being done, I'll go ahead and set the pineapple or put the pineapple inside the pan of the hibiscus flower. This is the clove. Wash it and put it inside and pour water until it covers the whole thing inside the pot. Yeah. Once it is filled like this, it's okay. Cover it and set it to boil for like 15 minutes. When you have it like this, cover it and leave it. I left mine overnight. The next morning, I continue the process. It also helps to bring out the taste of this. Well, some people cook their ginger inside the pineapple and the hibiscus flower, but I'm going to grate my own because there is a lot of benefit in doing that. I will grate it, pour water to it, and sieve out the water separately. So this is exactly what I'm doing here. You can cut it in a tiny bit and cook it together with your hibiscus flower. So right now I have poured water. I'm going to sieve out the chaff very well. Just pour it there, and I was using the spoon, but it was not that efficient, so I used my hand and press the hell out of it and get the waters out. Now you can use sugar throughout, but I'm going to be making use of sugar and honey. I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of honey inside the ginger juice. Yeah, so after that I will stir them to combine very well. Next I will be using for this Zobo or this hibiscus flower drink is orange juice. Yeah, you can also blend the pineapple, but I want the taste of orange in here, so I'm going to cut 4 orange and I will juice them, get the liquid out just like this. And after that, we are ready to mix every mixable. All right, now back to the pot. We are going to take out the pineapple and the leaf. Just check out that color. Everything is looking so good. And when you take them out, please don't throw them away immediately. Pour water inside those substances that you have taken out. Rinse them very well. When I mean rinse them, use your hand this time because it's the only thing that will do the job. But be careful so that you don't have a pinch from the pineapple. Even though it's cooked, they are still pinched. So when you press them like this, pour it back to the mixture. You see, you don't have to throw this away and throw the rest away. All right. Let me also tell you something about this. When you want to sieve it, make sure that you use a napkin, as you can see that I'm doing, because this will help. In case there is still sand remaining, it will take it out. The flour, I don't know if it is the one I bought. It had sand, yeah, because they used to sun it. there was so much sand in it, and if you wash it thoroughly with your hand, you will waste the color. So make sure you sieve it again. Now I have my clean Zobo drink, which you can enjoy during cold or during heat time. Yes, so the next now is to go ahead and pour our mixtures in there. I'm pouring the ginger. Just check out that color. And hey, once the taste enters there, it's not cool, it's fresh and it's giving. And now the orange juice, everything is in there. By this time the kids are already by the corner. This is the first time I'm making this at home, and they're like, Mommy, what is this? Mommy, what is this? We tested it and there was no sugar. They said, no, more sugar, more sugar. So I added like 2 spoons of this 2 spoons of sugar. Just the spoon that I'm using now, I added 2 of it, and I said is enough. Even though there is no more sugar, we don't want again. It was okay. Yeah, so the Zobo drink is ready. The next to do is very, very optional, is to add in lime. Imagine so many things that have entered here that are very good for this weather that we are in. We have orange, we have ginger, we have pineapple, we have lime, we have honey and sugar. Everything is given. So the first time I used this commercial cup to measure it for everybody, it was funny. I said, you people should not drink it once, so let's just be taking it little by little. It was all fun and very nice. So the Zobo drink is ready. So something new I learned about it, it is not only for refreshing during hot weather, but also for keeping you warm. If you want to drink it during winter, just heat it up again, yeah, in the micro wave, and you have it. So this is it. I saved the rest and we drank the one we drank. And this Zobo, or this hibiscus flower drink or tea, yes, lasts for 1 week in the fridge and more, and it was still very nice. So if you give it a try, let me know. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.